Alrighty, hello everyone and welcome to devlog number 11. Here with some small updates. Oh, what is this? Okay, so there seems to be a start and a checkpoint at one place. Actually, I don't want that to happen. I should actually create a note about that. So, okay, one second. It's quite embarrassing, but let me see. Let's take a note. Make it so that checkpoints don't fully overlap with other checkpoints and start and finish. Alright, cool. Now we got that out of the way. Hello everyone and welcome to devlog number 11. So here with a few minor updates, I've added add tower button. So now you can add 2x2 towers. Of course they can't shoot, they can't really do anything. It's pretty much treated like a rock, except that it's this color, whatever it is. I've added some debugging tools for myself, so if I click this checkbox, I could show the pathing points that are used for pathing. And this gives you a pretty good look as to how the pathing works in this game. So yeah, aside from that, there's been some very minor improvements to the pathing algorithm so that it's a bit faster. Although that being said, it is not perfect. So let me see, start, what's going on here? Okay, a problem that does still occur is that once you've added enough entities, it can get quite slow. So let me see. Let's try doing some basic pathing on a new map. Alright, so this one, where's checkpoint 1, 3. Okay, let's do this. So let's do... Oh crap, okay, I should have made a easier map for me to path, but let's try this. Alright, another thing I've added is that if you try to add the tower to where there's a rock, then it won't allow you to do so. So yeah, just a bit of restrictions there. And do this. Actually, right now it's quite fast. And that's because there's been other stuff that I've done. So instead of considering 3 pathing points for each corner, I only consider 1 pathing point. So before, I used to have 1 pathing point on the left, 1 on the top, and then 1 on the diagonal. Now it's only using the diagonal because I found that the pathing algorithm is just way too slow once you add a lot of towers and entities. So I thought this would be a good way to improve the speed without really compromising what we're trying to get at here, which is to path at the corners. And something I've added as well is that I created a sort of point guide here. So this can show you how exactly the pathing algorithm works. Is there a way for me to... Okay, no, there isn't. Okay, so I'll just show it off like this. So yeah, so this is our basic like unit square. This would be like a 1x1 square or whatever entity that we have. So at the corners here, you see that there would be some pathing points. I have a left, right, and then a diagonal right here. Then same with these ones, and I in the code, in the implementation, I named some of these P1 and P2 just so that I don't have to create specific booleans for all of these different points here. Because if I did that, there would be 3 times 4, so 12 12 different booleans. Instead, there's only 3, so you can enable the left one, the bottom one, the right one, and the diagonal. And yeah, I've made it so that only the diagonal is now shown instead of P1 and P2. Cool. So yeah, let's just keep on doing this. 433. Okay, now it's getting slow. You see that? It's taking a while now to load every time I add an entity. And currently I cannot remove towers, I can only remove rocks. So yeah, do this. So yeah, quite slow still, I find. But I think it's fast enough for play. So let's see this here. So it takes about 297 milliseconds to get paths now. So that is quite slow indeed. Filtered. So yeah. Alrighty. That is basically all I have for now. I think the next thing that I want to do is actually to make it so that when I hover over these checkpoints, I can see the pathing points that are used, that are seen when pathing for this specific checkpoint, and this will help me improve the pathing algorithm. And I see here that there's actually some stuff that could be optimized right now. So like these 8 points right here, they don't need to be shown. Each time a point is basically added to it, it adds like a additional layer in the search algorithm. So it gets exponentially slower with each additional layer. So yeah, same goes with these points and these points. So definitely some improvements can be made. And yeah, having the ability to hover over any checkpoint to see the pathing point would help that. Another thing that I want to do is I want to create a solver, basically. So given 20 towers, what is the best path that you can make? And yeah. Oh, okay, so there's also a TP inside of a rock. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't want that. So let's go ahead and make a note. So don't fully cover teleport with rock. Great. Alrighty, that's basically it for this update. Thanks for watching and have a good one.